Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky. I'm going to make this thing super short and sweet. The news of Russia invading Ukraine. We were talking about, there being some form of tension. News outlets have been talking about this for a couple of weeks. Just a couple hours ago, right? We got the announcement that Russia has enough troops to invade Ukraine, right? And that they can do it at any moment. This does bring a lot of uncertainty. We are getting so many questions right now of, what's going on? Like, should I freak out? At the end of the day, first off, we talked about position size, right? We were not experiencing any form of confirmation just yet for the market to recover. We are still oversold. We're still cheap. We got cheaper. Does this change or should this change your overall plan? At the end of the day, do what's best, what you think is for your future self, right? But the way that I view this is that if you are light with your position, this shouldn't freak you out. That's the whole purpose of you taking a light position. If you're invested, meaning that your intention is to buy and hold and sell at a much later time, I don't see this to be super devastating. Yes, it might prolong the time it takes for the market to recover. It might take some more time, right? Definitely, right? Especially if more negative news ends up influencing the market 100%. But this is why, you're in it for the long haul. It's all about your intention. I just got off the phone with my brother and he was like, dude, there's just so many good prices, right? We have Tesla at $860 a share, right? Look how cheap it is. It's at the moving average. It was previously and nearly at $1,300 a share, right? Not just this, but literally just everything that falls under tech. I mean, everything pulled back today, right? Especially as this announcement of Russia potentially going into war with Ukraine. It does bring a lot of uncertainty. One of the things that I want to share with you is that if the market continues to sell off, there's specific ways on how you can make money, right? There's SQQQ. It's a triple leveraged ETF. I would not recommend this for beginners, but this goes up when the NASDAQ market goes down, and it's up 9.44% today. So understand that you can have your long-term investments. That's your plan to invest for the long haul. This news just prolongs the period and the time that it's going to take for those to recover. But you're in it for the long haul. So your intention, in my opinion, shouldn't change. When it comes down to something like this, if you like to trade, not everyone does. Some people view it too risky, as you should, right? But if you like to trade, I want you to be aware that there's ways that you still can make money when the market goes down. And this is for the NASDAQ market. This is a triple leverage ETF. But there is an ETF that's an inverse for almost every specific market. For the S&P 500, it's SPXS, if I'm not mistaken. Is that correct? Yeah, this one's up 6% today. So this does the opposite of what the S&P 500 does, right? So a lot of you guys know about SPY, but maybe some of you guys don't know about SPXS. That's the inverse of SPY. And then there's UDOW that is based off of the overall Dow Jones. There's UDOW, and then there's, I think it's SDOW. Let me just double check. Yeah, this one's up 4%. So I have a big focus on tech. But again, being realistic, I know that everyone's not on the same boat with me. You might have instead of liking the NASDAQ market, which is more influenced by tech, you might want to focus more on the S&P 500, which is considered the top 500 most valuable companies, right? Or the Dow Jones. Maybe that's something that's more up your alley. I need you to know that there's ways that you can somewhat hedge your position with ETFs that go up when the market goes down. At the end of the day, the cheaper the market gets, the better deals we can get. It's all about perspective, right? We talked about this just last week, where every previous recession was viewed as an opportunity, but every current recession is viewed as risky. The question to simply ask yourself is, what is your intention? Are you trying to make money on a per day basis? Then yes, I would hold back from day trading when direction is not in your favor, or I might focus my attention on inverse ETFs that go up when the market goes down, right? But if your intention is to invest for the long haul, this should excite you. Markets are dropping. You're getting things much cheaper at a discount than what they normally are. So just like we said, every previous recession is viewed as an opportunity. It's not that you have to buy in super aggressive, but that you do it in a way that makes sense. You watch your position size. You wait for confirmation. You average up. The same principles we talked within and we try to empower every beginner trader within Learn Plan Profit 2.0. And that's what I'm most excited about. Trust me, it's been a rough couple of 5 to 6 weeks. The market's been pulling back. I'm not going to sugarcoat it that it's been great, right? It's been difficult. But like we said, right? Some of the most challenging things in life, when they're accomplished, tend to follow with the greatest fulfillment. And that's what I'm most excited about. That it's not super easy. It doesn't feel like it's just going to be handed to us. It's something that's really challenging us and that's taking time. So when and if the market does recover, it feels that much more fulfilling. But you have to earn it, right? Formulate the plan, keep your watch list small, watch your position size, not be afraid to be selective and to wait for confirmation, and then to average up when you feel comfortable and you feel like the market is actually indicating signs of a steady recovery. And like we always say, no one goes broke by locking in profits, especially with so much uncertainty. If at any point you decide to lock in profits, at the end of the day, do what's best, what you think is what's best for your future self. So I'm super excited to follow up. Again, if you guys want to join my Learn Plan Profit group, they not only get to watch me trade live every single day, but they get access to over 70 exclusive A to Z videos that breaks down everything it is that I know about the market, as well as you get access to our private Discord chat that's exclusive to our Learn Plan Profit group. If you guys want to learn a little bit more about Learn Plan Profit 2.0, that's going to be that second link down below. Friendly reminder, our giveaway ends at the end of this month. So if you want to enter to win this custom Digital Storm PC plus $1,000 cash, it's super easy to enter. Click the fourth link down below or head on over to shoptechbuds.com, and for every $1 you spend, it equals 5 automatic entries. So again, select your favorite items. It can be as simple as a trading journal. Reminder, it only takes one lucky entry to be this month's giveaway winner. And again, that is that fourth link down below. If you guys have any questions or you simply want to connect, feel free to join my free Discord group, and that's that first link in the description, or follow me on Instagram, which is also in the description. I really do appreciate you guys' time. Hope and wish you guys an amazing weekend. I hope that I earned a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.